How to delete GoDaddy account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate. On today's video I will guide you how you can delete your GoDaddy account. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, go to godaddy.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. If you see this kind of interface, navigate to your profile at the top right corner. Now head towards my products. So once you're on your product page, now in order to delete your GoDaddy account, first of all you have to remove all of your active domains. If you still have active domains, then you will not be able to delete your account. So to delete your domains, navigate to top right corner, click on your profile, and here you have to go to my product. So for that, click on my account at the top, and here go to domains. Once you're on your domain portfolio, you will find all of the active domains in your GoDaddy account. From there, you have to select all of your active domains and make sure that the auto renewal is also turned off for each domains. And once you select your domains, click on that specific domains, and under that domains settings you will have advanced settings. There you will have an option to delete it. Click on delete and confirm the deletion process, and once all of your domains are completely deleted or removed from your account, then you can proceed to account deletion. So again, once you're done with that, click on your profile at the top right corner, and here now go to account settings. Once you're under the account settings, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, click on contact preferences. Now scroll all the way to the end of the interface. Under privacy, there is an option for account deletion. Click on it. Now here it says by selecting close account, we will do all of the following. So make sure to read all of this information. Once you're done with that, click on confirm, and here it says I understand this action cannot be undone. So click on close account, and with that your account will be closed permanently. That's it. That's how you can delete your GoDaddy account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.